Well, hello again. I posted a slight video on my real quick rocket stove here that I made with the bricks that I had laying around. Simple way to do it. I always want to do something better, so I tried something else out. I did a little research on the internet, and I had this 4-inch piece of square tubing laying around. It's about, I don't know, the stack here is about 18 inches long. It was all one piece. I cut it. This is about 8 inches long here, and then I cut a 45 off the corner up here, which I then used as a vent at the bottom. I notched this pipe here, welded this section, the feed tube, and on the bottom here, what I like about this is when ashes build up, they fall right through the bottom out of this. I put a little screen on here to keep big pieces from fall out. So everything goes in here, burns, drops out the bottom here. This also feeds the fire and the flames. So basically it just stands like this, and I will eventually put some legs on it, adjustable legs probably, and paint it up and put a grill system up top, probably just a couple pieces of crossed steel here. Anyways, fire it up and show you how it works. Okay, now I basically, since I don't have any legs on it, I prop it up in my bricks here, just like that. And I'm going to take one small piece of newspaper, and I'm going to stick it right down at the bottom there, just like that. And I noticed while using these things, the thicker the pieces of wood you use, the lower heat you get, and the smaller, the thinner pieces of wood that you use, it's easier to start, and you get a much hotter fire going. You get a lot more heat out of it. There's more surface area of the wood to burn, so it burns quickly and hot and efficiently. So I just stick that in there, kind of like that, right on top of the paper. And once it's on legs, I'm going to be able to go underneath here to the vent area and just stick a match under there, and it'll light the newspaper and light the wood, and we'll get heat out of that. So I'm going to get ready to get it lit here for you. Okay, I am going to just use some matches here, light them up. I'm going to go in from the bottom vent area on the stove here, and I'm going to light that newspaper. Okay, and that lit rather quickly. As you can see, the fire's already going. Alright, you got the fire up top here, and as soon as it heats up, starts getting really hot, it'll burn more efficiently. You won't see any smoke. There's really no smoke coming out of it right now. So I'll show you how to feed it here real quick. We're just going to take some wood, and you just set it on the shelf here. I like to set it on the shelf. The shelf also feeds air as well. It's a pretty big opening. It's 4 inches in diameter. So when that fire's going, I just push these in just with my hand like that. They'll burn down, push them over. Once you get a coal bed down there on that mesh that I have at the bottom on the intake, it really fires hard. As you can see, there's no smoke really coming off the top there, just a little bit. And I just loaded some new wood in, so it's going to take a second here to catch on fire. But once it catches fire, this thing's going to roar. Well, it's going pretty good now. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can see the draw of the flame there. Pull a piece of wood up here out. Let's see if I can show you. But it pulls the flame right back in, and smoke and everything. This stove is a little more complicated to build than just a brick stove, especially if you don't have the tools. If you have the tools, it's fairly simple. I've seen stoves like this go on the internet from anywhere from $25 up to $80. This here, probably I have a total of maybe $4 or $5 for the steel. Of course, you need equipment and tools that can cut steel and weld steel. It's fairly simple to do if you have the tools. I built this in about 20 minutes, maybe less. Well, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys leave a comment if you like, please. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I'm gonna show you more video on this later when I have the legs on. It's all painted up with the top on. But there's the rocket stove. All right. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.